It is the morning of the Alpine descent from the Gschwanten Alp in the Reichenbach Valley above Meiringen in Switzerland. The cows know this routine. For now, they are calm, but soon nervousness will spread among the cows. They know that today they are going home. Even though the cows like being on the Alp, they still like going back down to the valleys because they know that there is plenty of food waiting for them there. The procedure is always the same. Today, however, the cows are not sprayed with water as in other years. It is too cold and the cows would otherwise catch a cold. So for once, the cows have to be brushed. One cow after the other is brought from the barn outside. There it is tied up and then the cows wait until the bells are put on and the headdress is put on. The bells are adjusted to the weight of the cow. Even if they look very big, they make up only a fraction of the cow's weight. And these bells are only used for the descent from the Alp. On the Alps, the cows have smaller bells. The bells help to locate the animals because they often cannot be fenced in on the Alps. When putting on the bells, care must be taken to ensure that the leather straps do not cut into the skin. The cows are used to this procedure, even if they are happy in the valley below when the bells are removed again. The cows patiently endure everything. Of course, some of them want to leave already, but it takes about 3 hours to get to the start of the Alpine descent. There are other animals here. These 2 horses belong to the Alp above. In addition, many Alps have also pigs, goats or chicken. The last cheese is taken out of the copper kettle. Hard work. Then the neck straps are put on to the cows. The neck straps are lovingly made and have various sayings on them. This one here says, "The most beautiful thing on earth is the cattle in the mountains." Or here, "The sound of bells gladdens the heart." When you go to the Alp, you have to enjoy it. Farewell, mountains. I will always need the Alps, the cattle, and the tinkling of the bells. And the cows slowly realize now that they are moving forward. Now the young team are going out of the stable too. They don't know this day as well as the older cows. That's why some of them are still a bit stubborn. Perhaps you have noticed that many of the young men have a cigarette in their mouth. But they don't call it a cigarette, they call it a crooked one. There is a lot of activity now on the Alp. Slowly you can see the nervousness in the animals. Everything seems now to be ready. Now we are just waiting for the command.